guys, this is Chris. So I'm gonna show you kind of the process how we work. So we have this 2021 Tesla Model 3. We are doing full paint protection. So we're doing full bumper, full hood, full fenders. We're gonna do mirrors as well and door edges. So around this edge right here, we're gonna put a piece on it. So when you guys open the doors, if you hit something, you don't chip the paint. So at this moment, we're gonna do the full hood right now, making sure it's done right. So we do anything from paint protection, vinyl wraps, anything you guys need. I will be making another video later on. All right, what's going on, guys? This is Chris again. We have this 2021 Tesla Model 3, and actually it is a 2021. Big plus for all those Tesla lovers in this vehicle. It's you already get the blackout chrome, so you don't have to do the chrome delete no more in this one. This one is already included in the package, so I think that's a big plus. This is a full one-piece back window as well. Open the car. So let me show you guys the inside. So they're a one-piece full back window. So in this case, we did our nano ceramic, which is WIR. Our nano ceramic, pretty much, we're certified to install this material. When I say certified, we're the only shop around there can do this film. Now, second, you get nationwide warranty. So if you have a warranty, you move out of state, we'll go to business, you will be covered 100% and you stay in USA. Now, if you guys see the logos, if it's your first time watching this video, they put watermarks in this material so you know you're getting that quality. So we're proving the customer now that you're getting that good quality stuff. So now this one we did 50% on the front windshield. So I'm showing you how the different material looks, the inside looking out, and dark all the way around. So we did dark shade, which is 20% on this case all the way around, and just light on the front windshield, which is 50%. So you guys can see it doesn't look too dark, but doesn't look too light at the same time, depends on the angle that you see it. So there goes another beautiful car. Something that we did in this one too as well is paint protection. So with a full bumper, full hood, full fenders, mirrors, and door edges. I don't know if you see this line. So it's hard to tell that the material. We use Suntech Ultra, so this material looks really, really natural. So you kind of see a little bit of the line right there. So mirrors, they're covered. And same thing on this right here. Boom. You see the little kind of gap right there? That shows you right there the paint protection. So full fenders, full package. We did the headlights as well, light shade. So give it a little bit kind of aggressive look. I just love the look in these vehicles, guys. Super nice. So there it goes, guys. Another one. If you have any question, you can give us a call. Shop number is 909-570-9954. We're located in the city of Calimesa, near U.S.A. Finally, we got some rain and a nice view. Thank you.